Hey guys, welcome to Just Cook Something. Today we are going to be making biryani. Let's get started. First thing we have to do is actually prep the rice. So that's this right here. And we're gonna do 2 cups of rice. All right, I think that's good. I'm just gonna let this soak now. And we're just gonna leave it and let it soak for at least 30 minutes. And now we'll move on to the chicken. And we're going to take out some of these fat pieces we don't want. If you like keeping it, you can keep it, but I like to cut it out. All right, let's cut our onion. Next thing we want to do is get our mix in a bowl. Again, we're not going to use the entire mix. I feel like that might be too much. Even though it states on the back of here that you should use 1 kg of meat for the whole packet, that is just too much. Probably use about half. Now that we have all of our stuff ready, we're going to fry the onions first. So let's do that. Gonna pour some water in our Shan mix. Just mix this up nicely. The next thing we'll do now is add in our chicken. We're gonna add in our mix, so get it all in there, and we're gonna mix this in. Make sure it's all nicely coated. I think that's good. Now we're gonna add yogurt. We're gonna add around a cup of yogurt. If you want it less spicy, then you can add 2 cups of yogurt. Anywhere from 1 to 2 cups is good enough, I think, for this portion of chicken. And now we just mix it all in. And then we're just gonna put the lid on it and set it to low. And then we're just gonna leave it. So for the rice, we had it soaking. It's been over a half hour now. So it's been soaked. We're just gonna drain all this out. What we have to do is boil the water around 2 teaspoons, doesn't matter. Some other things we're gonna add in here. We're gonna do a cinnamon stick, 2 bay leaves, around 4 or 5 cardamoms and cloves. And we're gonna just put it in right now. We're gonna add some salt. That's about less than a teaspoon. Everything's in here. Now we're just gonna wait until it's time to add the rice. And that's when this starts boiling. So I'm just gonna dump that in here, and we're gonna set a timer for 7 minutes. So you can already see it's starting to come out looking really good. It's been about 7 minutes, and I'm gonna drain this. I'm gonna place it on here, spread it out. So this is looking good. It's looking like it's, oh yeah, we're fully cooked. So once I remove all the chicken and all the pieces in here, and then we're just gonna scrape off all this. And now we're going to put some ghee and just coat the inside in here so we don't actually have the rice sticking on here. Add all the rice. Okay. We're not gonna compact it down. We're just going to push it aside. If you press it really hard on the rice, it's not gonna come out nice. Just layer it. Take our ghee and add our last layer. Just add a little drops of ghee just for color. Turn on the heat, and we're gonna let it simmer for around, say, 15 minutes. So I'll keep it just in between 2 and low. We'll come back in around 15 minutes and everything should be done. All right, it's been about 15 minutes, and let's take a look. Well, the rice really came out nice and fluffy. This came out really tasty. The rice is not mushy. It's like really fluffy and soft. And the chicken, when you take that first bite of the chicken, the spice doesn't hit you right away and you really feel that flavor kick in. It's really, really tasty. Oh man, this is so good. Give it a try. Let me know how it goes in the comments below. If you guys like these videos, please hit that subscribe and hit that like button and that notification bell. If you're interested in other future videos, give suggestions, anything like that, please put it out in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.